Can't sleep at night because you're snoring. A student of mine approached me a while ago and she told me, I want to play didgeridoo because I want to stop snoring. And I told her, you know, this is bullshit people say just so they can sell you didgeridoos and teach you how to play. And she said, no. I've seen this research and that research. And I said, okay, let's try. And she said, you know what? I'm going to make my own research. And she checked in her app on her phone how much she snores. We started learning and we figured out that the more she played didgeridoo, the less she snored. She didn't even circular breathe and she snored less. The more she played the didgeridoo and the more she circular breathed, the better she sleep and the better her life were overall, because the quality of your sleep and how you breathe changes your life. And that's why I made her a saxodidge. Saxodidge is like a didgeridoo, only it's shaped like a saxophone. It's much easier to carry around. And this is also scientifically engineered and much easier to play.